Morning traders, welcome back to another altcoin season. My name is Karen Fickard at Traders Network Club. Today we're going to talk about a couple of things. I know I talked earlier in the show that Elon Musk bought Twitter, so we're going to dive into that and some other great news that's coming out this week. And let's get right to it. I'll see you guys after this break. All right, everybody, welcome back to another altcoin season show. So, what is going on this week? As you guys know, yesterday Elon Musk just bought out Twitter for $44 billion. Okay, now why is this so interesting? As you can see, he tweeted right here: "Free speech is the bedrock of a functioning democracy, and Twitter is the digital town square where matters vital to the future of humanity are debated." Okay, so you can go ahead and read his tweet over here. But most important, the point of him doing this is freedom of speech, guys. As we know right now, we have been taking away our freedom of speech on Twitter. People are getting, banned and blocked, and just because of things that they're saying. And it's just something that we don't live in America. We live off freedom of speech, right? So Elon Musk is preaching it, man. So Elon Musk bought Twitter now, and there's a lot of things he wants to change. Okay, there's a lot of, like, right here, it talks about enhancing the product with new features, making the algorithms open source to increase trust, defeating the spam bots. Okay, that's one thing we need to get rid of is the spams, man. I'm sick of it. Okay, and authenticating all humans. That's very interesting. I'd love to see what he really means, what he's gonna do with Twitter with that. Okay, so looks like a lot of big stuff's coming with Twitter. Now, what really excites me with cryptos is Elon Musk is known for Dogecoin. Okay, he's the Dogecoin king. Now, if he takes hold of Twitter, which he already has, how's that going to look for Dogecoin? Because I mean, he can really push Dogecoin, right? He can really pump that coin up on Twitter. So that is something that is very exciting. Doge is already almost 7% up. Okay, if we take a look at Doge right now on the charts, let's take a look at Dogecoin. Okay, as you guys already know that we already in Dogecoin over here. We got in over here. So if you didn't listen to my call out a week or two ago, you missed out on an early entry because we were waiting for that breakthrough pattern through this trend line, and we got in right away. Okay, so we're sitting right now pretty good with Dogecoin, and we're just kind of weighing up and seeing what Elon Musk is going to do with Doge, which I expect him to do something big with Doge. Okay, so do I know for sure? No, but and just doing my analysis, just doing my research, I'm expecting. Okay, I'm expecting. So Dogecoin is something that I would really recommend for you guys to look at. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence and your own research. Okay, but this is something I recommend to definitely take a look at, man. Just take a look at Doge and just understand what Elon Musk, the Doge King, is going to do. Okay, now we let me pull up my Twitter here again. As you can see, Bitcoin right here. Check this out. I would like to show you guys this. As you can see, momentum. Every time it hits this trend line, we get a nice little rally, right? You can see it hits this right here, and price hits it at the same time, and we get a nice little rally. Comes back down, hits there too, the price, momentum too, and we get a nice little rally. So right now, price and momentum is sitting right there on the trend line, and it looks like we're gonna get a rally of Bitcoin. So let's take a look at Bitcoin here, because that's what we want, right? The king of cryptos, right? The mother of cryptos is Bitcoin, and we just need Bitcoin to move. Now, you can see Bitcoin is just moving this little range bound. It does not want to break through this resistance. As you can see, it did not want to break through, came back, and now it's just kind of testing right here again, kind of mid-range in this resistance and support. So we're not getting much, but as you can see, we do have this little trend line going on right here. You know what? Let me pull up my tool here. So we do got a little. That was a terrible line, and we do got something going on here too. Okay, so we're expecting a nice little bounce, but right now we just need to move our way and we need to break through this resistance. We need to get past this 45,000, man. We need to get past this 45,000 Bitcoin. Come on now, do something, baby. So right now, we're just waiting for Bitcoin to make a nice breakthrough. That's all we're waiting for Bitcoin. Once we can get that breakthrough, man, I'm expecting a lot of coins to start moving up. Okay, I'm expecting a lot of coins moving up. So right now, Bitcoin, man, we're just sitting and waiting. Okay. Uh, Now I did want to talk about this new financial system, okay, which is cryptos, which we're trading right now. But a lot of people don't understand what the future is holding. So I'm gonna bring up you a quick little video that you guys should definitely take a look at. Okay, definitely take a look at this video. So before you go think of anything, you go grab a cup of coffee, whatever you think about doing right now. Please just sit here and watch this video. Okay, this is very important to watch this video right here. All right, here it is. Check this out, guys.
Is to absolutely everything else. And what we're seeing in the world today, I think, is we're on the brink of a dramatic change where we are about to, and I'll say this.
And this is at the World Government Summit. This was actually, I'm a little late. This was actually taken like about 2 weeks ago, this meeting. And I just haven't got to show you guys this because we've just really been diving into the market, talking about cryptos. But, I think it's time for you guys to really just listen to this, okay?
Say this boldly. We're about to abandon the traditional system of money and accounting and introduce a new one. And the new one, the new accounting, is what we call blockchain. It means digital. It means having a almost perfect record of every single transaction that happens in the economy, which will give us far greater clarity over what's going on. It also raises huge dangers in terms of the balance of power between states and citizens. In my opinion, we're going to need a digital constitution of human rights if we're going to have digital money. But also, this new money will be sovereign in nature. Most people think that digital money is crypto and private, but what I see are superpowers introducing digital currency. The Chinese were the first. The US is on the brink, I think, of moving in the same direction. The Europeans have committed to that as well. And the question is, will that new system of digital money and digital accounting accommodate the competing needs of the citizens of all these locations so that every human being has a chance to have a better life? Because that's the only measure of whether our world order really serves. George, what do you...
All right, I'm sure you guys all know about this new world order. Okay. Now, yeah, there it is, guys. Just like I've been saying, we're moving to something bigger and something new coming soon, guys. Don't know if it's gonna be a good thing or bad thing, but definitely something it just shows you and tells you that cryptos and digital currencies is something you definitely want to get a feel of. Okay, you definitely want to start looking into it and start understanding it because it's definitely going to be coming soon, and it's going to be the new financial system. Okay, so that's it. I wanted to show you guys that video. Now let's take a look at some of my crypto bubbles here. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so wow, this moved up. This moved down real quick. I might have just had to refresh it. That's what happened. So you can see everything's a little, most of it's red. Okay, so we're having a little dip in the market right now. Okay, now I did notice Rose. Oh, Rose is up 1%. Let's take a look at Rose because I think Rose actually hit our entry that we wanted to get in, guys, when we talked about on Thursday. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, there it is. Hit the floor. That's where we wanted to buy in. Okay, so we got in. Oops. Whoa. No, I had that tool open. So we got in. So let me take a look at the hour chart here just to see if it. Well, let's take a look at the 4 hour. So there it is, right there. Got in right over here. Okay. So if you got in right there, I think we're about now like 20%. Actually, over here is 14%. But yeah, we hit about 20% over here. But now we're sitting at 14%. And our targets actually kind of get back up here. Okay, I'm gonna move that down just a little bit right there. Yeah. So that's kind of like our target right here. So which is about 50%, okay? A little over 50%. So that's our target, to make 50% off Rose. Okay, so we got in right here. I think it was last Thursday when we had our session. It was the 21st, right? And so we were like sitting right about here, and I said, guys, we're just gonna be patient. I expect price to come back and hit that floor, and check that out, guys. Just beautiful. Just came there and hit our floor, and that's just a perfect entry, okay? Because I mean, we could have got in over here if we wanted to, but that's just a perfect entry right there. So we're seeing now, and we're just kind of holding on Rose and see what happens if it can get to our target. Now we did talk about ApeCoin, okay? Now this is a little risky coin. But now just to talk about ApeCoin, actually they their Instagram got hacked, which is doesn't do anything to the coin, but the Instagram got hacked, and some people that were holding it, they lost some of their NFTs, like the mutant apes, the board apes. So they lost some of their NFTs if they got hacked. So that was unfortunate. But I tell you what, that I told you I'm very bullish on Ape because of what they're trying to do and the utilities, and obviously their ecosystem is so big. Okay, we obviously know. I showed you guys on Thursday, uh, their NFTs and how big their community is. It's a very big community. You obviously know a lot of celebrities hold these NFTs, and they all get dropped. They all get airdropped Ape coin, right? Ape token. Okay, they all get dropped this Ape coin right here. Okay, and right now they're all holding. None of them have. I bet you none of them have dumped their coin, and that's a good thing because that's just going to bring price up. Okay, and look at that, price has already gone up from originally where I said on Thursday, which is right here. I said, guys, this is just something I just love. I love the community. I love the utilities. I love what they're making out of this. And this is just something that I would throw a few money in just to take a chance. And look at that. Okay, look at that already. I mean, it's not a lot, but it already went up to about almost 25%. We're sitting at like 15%. Okay, we're sitting about around 15% from where we originally got in. So we're up. We're up if we got in, right? If you guys got in, we're already up. Now the question is, when do we want to get out? This is something that this is a coin, obviously, because you can see it's brand new. Like I said, this is a brand new coin. Doesn't have much data. So this is something you kind of just this is how people become millionaires in cryptos. Am I saying you can become a millionaire off this? No, I don't know for sure. Okay, but this is the chances these people take with these new coins. They throw it in, and then it's just a huge rally that happens, a huge pump, and they get lucky. Okay, they get lucky and they make a lot of money. So this is just something that I like a lot. So I said, you know what? Want to talk about a risky coin, but it's something if you do your research on, you would definitely like it. Okay, has a lot of good utilities. So we're up on Ape. So there's nothing wrong. There's nothing bad about that. And you can see a few other coins are down. So there's not much really going on in the market, guys. It's not really much going on in the market, and I'm gonna kind of leave it like that today. We did a recap on Thursday with everything, all the coins that were in. So if you want to go check out the last video, um, on Thursday, we did a nice little recap of all the coins that were in. We're up in all the coins. We've made a good amount of money. So if you guys missed out, that's unfortunate. So just keep watching these videos. I'm gonna have some more call outs coming up. And yeah, that's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like button. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you guys haven't noticed, we are doing an offer. If you sign up with ACAP, okay, if you sign up with ACAP, you get a 20% deposit bonus, and you get a free month of our trade replicator, the Pip Hunter, that's doing amazing. Okay, it's over 150% last year, so it's doing amazing. You get that for a month for free if you sign up with ACAP. Everything's in the description below. And that's it, guys. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm doing this to the Pip Hunter Trading Show tomorrow again. So I'll see you guys for the Pip Hunter Trading Show tomorrow. But I will see you again Thursday for another altcoin season show. Okay. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.